Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Rite Aid, my original love, Rite Aid, and we are here to do some of the deals for the week of the 4th through the 10th of December. And we're doing a separate video this week because the deals are that good and there's that many deals that we can go over. Typically, I'll do a few Rite Aid deals at the end of a Walgreens video if there's just a few deals, but I definitely want to share with you because I'm just going to be doing them. So I'd like to share that with you guys. Although I don't typically do Google Docs with Rite Aid because it's just a few deals. But if you would like a Google Doc for Rite Aid deals, let me know down below and I'll be happy to do that for you. There is also a code for today only for store pickup orders and it's for a one-time use only, is the code 40 thanks B. You'll get 40% off of your order. So I'm also doing a pickup order as well. So anyways, guys, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There usually is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box of all of my videos. So let's go inside, guys, and see what we can do. So for the first transaction, we are going to do a smaller transaction. And I actually did this on Wednesday instead of today because I wanted to use the majority of my bonus cash on this transaction and then use this large amount that I would get back from the batteries on today's transaction. So when you can break your transactions up and we have multiple barcodes, then we can save even more money by doing our transactions in increments of $50. And as you can see by doing the batteries in one transaction, that's going to be easy to get to $50. So we are going to start off by grabbing the Duracell batteries. They are normally $26.99 and I think $28.99. They're on sale for $21.99 and they're buy two, get back $15 in bonus cash. So we're going to pick up a set of AA's and I was going to pick up a set of AAA's, but there was only 16 batteries in it. So I picked up the Optimums. They are also on sale for $21.99 and there's 18 in a pack. So grabbing both packages, our total will equal out to $43.98. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that is new, but if you don't have that or you would rather use some Peelies, there are Peelies available in the store. If you go over to the Christmas toys on some small remote control cars, there are $3 Peelies for Duracell batteries. So if you want to use those, you can grab those too in case you want to do this deal a couple of different times. So anyways, our total is going to be a $43.98. We're going to use a 6 off 2 digital coupon. That will bring our total down to $37.98. We're going to get back $15 in bonus cash. That's going to make our total $22.98 for both of them. And that's about buy one, get one free. But of course, we're pairing it in with a spend booster. So it's going to be an even better deal. So that we get close to or not close, we don't want to be close, so that we go over the $50 mark, we're going to pick up one of these Optic White toothpaste. They're $6.99 and they're buy one, get back $3 in bonus cash. We have a $3 digital coupon. And then there's this $1 extra store coupon on this toothpaste. So I'm going to grab this as well. So after that digital coupon and that little store coupon on the product, that'll bring our total down to $2.99, and then we'll get back $3 in bonus cash, and that's going to make that toothpaste free. So this is everything that we have in our first transaction. It does equal out to over $50. We're also going to use the 5 off 25 flu coupon and the booster that's in the ad for spend 50, get back $10 in bonus cash. So now we're going to start with our next transaction. It's the following day, and we're going to start with the spend 30, get back $10 in bonus cash, and it's also buy one, get one 50% off. Now I noticed next to this tag, there was a 50% off tag for a 2-pack of Tresemme priced at just $4.99, and I was hoping that these were included, so I'm going to pick up 2 of those, but they won't be buy one, get one 50% off. They're just going to be $4.99 a piece. So I am going to grab 2 of those. Then I'm going to grab 2 of the Suave hairsprays. They are priced at $4.79 a piece. So one would be $4.79 and then one would be $2.39. And then I grabbed 4 bottles of Dove shampoo and conditioner. and I must not have filmed it because sometimes when I have to grab multiples like this, where I have to grab 4 items, I'll grab some of them, put them in the cart, and then film it for you. But I must just put them in my cart. So we're going to grab 4 of them. They're priced at $5.49 a piece. So 2 would be $5.49, and then the other 2 would ring up at $2.74. So our total for everything that you see here in the cart would equal out to $33.63. We're going to use 4 $1 coupons from the Dove emails. Then we're going to use a 2 off 2 from the Suave emails. And we're going to use 2 $1.50 off coupons from the Tresemme email list. That's going to bring our total down to $24.63, but we'll get back $10 in bonus cash. But then we are going to get back $5 on Fetch for every 2 that we buy, and that's insane. So I'm getting $20 back from Fetch Rewards. Now, when I scanned my receipt, most people's offer was $4.50 for every 2 items that they buy with a limit of 4. But when I scanned my receipt, my Fetch offer was 5,000 points for every 2 that I bought. And you're not going to see that offer until you scan your receipt. If you still don't have it, submit for a correction, and hopefully that will work for you. So next I'm going to grab an Olay body wash gift set. They're priced at $9.99. They're 30% off this week, so that's going to take $3 off, and that's going to ring up for $6.99. I don't have any coupons for it, but you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get back $5, making it just $1.99. Now I know that there is an even cheaper deal on this gift set or a Olay body wash gift set at Walgreens, but this is basically just a filler item to help me get to the $50 mark, and it's going to be even cheaper than $1.99. Next, we're going to grab the Avizia eye drops. They are on sale 25% off, and they are $8.99 this week. I have a $5 off printable coupon from the Avizia website that I'm going to use. Now that coupon reset for me, and I was able to print it again just the one time, and I was only able to get one. So it's $8.99 after the $5 coupon. It is going to be $3.99. We will pay that, and we will submit our receipt to Ibotta. And this is double attaching to 2 $3 rebates, so you will get back $6 from Ibotta, making this free and a $201 moneymaker. So next, this is an easy filler item. The American Greeting Cards has a tear pad that's $4 off when you buy 3 items that are priced $1.99 and up. Unfortunately, my store did not have the tear pad, but if your store does, definitely pick this up because you can get some bags or some bows, and it's going to be a really cheap filler item. So next we're going to grab the Colgate Optic White again, only because I want to add this in for good measure because I'm not 100% sure that Tresemme will ring up buy one get one 50% off. So I don't want to come up short. So I'm grabbing another renewal here for $6.99. This item does not have the store coupon on it. Those are just placed throughout the products in the store at random. So the toothpaste is going to be $6.99. We're going to submit our receipt to the coupons.com app and get back $3. That's going to make it $3.99, but then we're going to get back $3 in bonus cash, making it 99 cents, and I think that is a fabulous deal for this. My boyfriend absolutely loves this toothpaste, so I'm definitely going to pick it up when I can. So that's everything that we are grabbing for this transaction and for today. So let's go out to the car and see how everything went and take a look at our receipts. All right, guys, so we're back in from Rite Aid, and I want to talk about the Scott here. I got 2, let me just show you. So I got 2 of these 12-pack mega rolls here. They're on sale for $9.99 this week. And then when you buy 2, you get back $4 in bonus cash. So the 2 of them will equal out to $19.98. That 40% off code will take off $7.99. I got back $4 in bonus cash. It is on my receipt because you do get a regular receipt when you do your pickup orders. So then I got back $4 in bonus cash, making them $7.99. Now I know some people have some very large Scott offers on their Fetch Rewards. I do not. So both of those were $7.99 or about $3.99 a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. I just used a bonus cash to pay for them. So happy about that. So typically what I do in my videos is I like to show you, like for CVS and Walgreens, I'd like to show you the bottom portion of what coupons come off and everything. But it's not like that at Rite Aid. You have the product, you have the coupon, you have the product, you have the coupon. So I don't know how I'll show that. So I came in yesterday first because I wanted to do the battery deal, and the battery deal was close enough to $50. I just threw in a toothpaste, and then that was at the $50 mark, so I was able to use the booster and all of that jazz. So on my receipt here, I'll try to hold it up. I don't know if you can see it very well. On my receipt here, you have the 2 batteries and no coupons. Here for the Colgate, you see the Colgate for $6.99, no coupons. You see the 5 off 25 coupon, and then you see down here the dollar store coupon. So that came off. So those worked totally fine, but my digitals did not come off. So I did speak with customer service this morning, and I only asked for the $6 back for the batteries. I didn't ask for the $3 because I submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app, and I got back the $3 for that. So then that brought my total down to $38.56. I got back $28 in bonus cash. I got back $15 for the batteries. I got back $10 for spending $50. And then I got back $3 for the toothpaste, making the total for that transaction just $8.06, which is amazing and crazy considering one package of those batteries was originally like $28.99. So whenever they do batteries, I really try to get down here and do them just because it's such a good deal and we never, ever, ever get batteries. So then on the next transaction that I did today, there was a slight issue, but that was my fault just because you just never know. So here is my receipt for this transaction. It's kind of long. So I do want to show you that I got the Tresemme here for $4.99 a piece. Those were on clearance, and my $1.50 coupons come off. Then we have the Avizia for $8.99. There's my $5 coupon. Then we have the $6.99 for the Olay. No coupon for that. Then this time the Colgate here, the $3 load to card coupon did come off. That's right there. Then we have the Dove, and that had 2 $1 coupons come off. Then the next 2 beeped, so she just gave them back to me. And then I had a $2 off coupon for the Suave. And then we have, what do we have here? And then we have the $5 5 off 25 coupon there. So then I paid, and I didn't pay anything out of my pocket, just paid with bonus cash, but I only got $13 back. So I look at the bottom of my receipt here, and it does tell me that I did receive a bonus cash for the Colgate, and then I did receive a bonus cash for the website LB Barcode, which are the boosters basically. And I didn't get the bonus cash for the Unilever. So the Unilever was $23.64 is what I had spent. Add in the $9.98 for the clearance items, and that was exactly what I had spent altogether on the items. So I knew that that didn't count. So then I went and I returned them and got my $10 back. So I grabbed 2 bottles of the Suave in the pink bottle. So then after my coupons, the total for those were $8. So my total for that transaction, taking away the Tresemme but adding in the Suave, after coupons was $34.04. I got back $23 in bonus cash, 10 for the spend 50 get 10, 10 for the spend 30 get 10, and then $3 for the toothpaste again. I got back $11 on Ibotta, $5 for the Olay set, and then $3 for the Avizia double attaching. Then I should have gotten back $20 on Fetch Rewards. So that would make my total free and a $19.96 moneymaker. But there was a problem with my Fetch. So when I submitted my receipt to Fetch, it gave me credit 2 times for $5 for buying 2. Then it showed that it was taking or tracking for a 3rd time, and it only credited me for 1 item, not 2. And then it didn't even recognize the other items. It identified them properly in the system, so I had to go in through the contact us and submit an email that way. Typically when I do that, I get the things back because I bought items that were included on the list. I didn't get any kids, things like that. So you know what I mean? After I submitted my receipt to Fetch, it was showing that my offer was $5 for every 2 products that you buy. So we'll see how that goes. So with my battery transaction and my transaction that was a big moneymaker, the total for everything was free and an $11.90 moneymaker. If you want to add in the Scott for my pickup order, then everything would have been a $3.91 moneymaker, which is incredible because not 1 cent left my pocket. Not 1 cent left my pocket. And that's why Rite Aid is so incredible. I got 2 huge packs of batteries. I got 2 big packs of toilet paper. I got, look at this guy right here. I even got one of these guys. Isn't that fun? I think that's a lotion. But, yep, hand and body lotion. I even got one of these. So that's even fun. So I'm really excited with how everything went. And yes, I do have to deal with Fetch, but that's going to be okay because like I said, they typically give that to me. So make sure you run up to your local Rite Aid today and do a pickup order on some essentials and use that 40% off code. So anyways, guys, that is all I really have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. All right, guys, so we're back in from Rite Aid, and I want to talk about the Scott here. I got 2, let me just show you. Why not just show you? We're only, you know, oh, for crying out loud. Oh, God.